Hi guys, I'm Nancy.
I'm Mia.
And Sabine. And today we're gonna teach you how to make hwachae. First step is to wash your hands while singing happy birthday 2 times. Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Step 2, wash your fruits. We're using grapes here as an example. Step 3, cut the fruits.
To cut?
Yes.
Not on your fingers.
Put the fruits in the bowl.
The coconut chilies from Shiny Tea. We'll be pouring them in.
Step 5, pour strawberry milk in.
Look, 6. Pour the Sprite in.
Look at that sizzle. Step 7, obtain ice. Step 8, pour it in. Step 9, stir it all. Step 10, put it into bowls. Step 11, taste test.
Oh my god. Oh, I really like this.
Ooh.